Have you ever wondered why 99% of meme coin traders lose money? You sit there staring at charts, praying for a breakout, but the truth is, you're playing in a rigged casino. You're playing PvP against thousands of sniper bots and insiders. You have zero edge. Every time you buy a coin, you're just making the dev rich. You are the exit liquidity. But while you're fighting for scraps, the developer is already in profit. They don't react to the market, they dictate it. They launch the coin, buy in first, and sell into your hype. So stop being the trader. Start being the dev. When you launch your own coin, you control the liquidity. You skip the bonding curve, go straight to Raydium, and let the market come to you. Stop analyzing charts while devs print money. Take control. Let's get into it. To get a free coin right now, keep a close watch on this video. I will be dropping one sol for multiple peoples in random spots throughout the video. Stay until the finish so you can grab your chance. Look at my Phantom wallet right now. Over $18,400 received just this week. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. The balance stays exactly the same. This is not to flex, just so you know I actually know what I'm talking about. Listen up. Every single meme coin on chain has two sides: the trader and the creator. The trader buys in with their own capital and holds a position they have zero control over. They are completely reactive. In 98% of cases, the hype dies, the dev dumps, and the trader loses everything. They become exit liquidity. The dev, on the other hand, creates the coin. He holds the liquidity, controls the timing, and earns fees on the transactions. That's exactly why devs have nothing to lose. It costs almost nothing to create a coin, but the upside is massive. That is exactly why I stopped trading completely in 2026 and switched to deving. By the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Cool, let's get into the live launch. Most people who decide to switch to deving go straight to Pump.fun. The truth is, you are completely wasting your time. It is totally oversaturated. There are hundreds of coins launching every single minute, and yours will go invisible instantly. On top of that, you don't control your own liquidity, and your coin needs to hit a market cap of around $35,000 just to migrate to Raydium. In that level of noise, it's nearly impossible. That's exactly why I exclusively use launchmeme.fun. Every coin you launch here skips the bonding curve entirely and goes straight to Raydium instantly. There are 9,000 plus active traders on Raydium right now waiting to buy. You get instant visibility with zero friction. That is why the top devs are gatekeeping this launchpad. To launch a coin, you have a few options, but we are going to use my favorite method, the copy trending coins feature. Instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch and hoping it goes viral, we are going to look at what is already working. These coins already have a proven narrative and a hungry community. We just copied the idea and brought it straight over to Raydium to capture those buyers. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Now hit refresh. I'm going to choose this one right here. The narrative is already taking off. Click copy to Raydium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see a warning that is completely normal on every launchpad, so just ignore it. It's safe. Click proceed, confirm I understand, and confirm. Give it a few seconds, and boom, the coin gets vamped and created. If I open SolScan for proof, you can see it was minted on chain just 12 seconds ago. Everything is legit. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. To get this token live for trading, return to the site and click create liquidity pool. On this page, for the token amount, click on 90%. For the SOL pairing, this is where you put a bit of SOL to swap into your own token supply. I am putting in 0.3 SOL, and don't worry, you are not losing this. It comes back to your wallet when you cash out. Click create pool. Phantom wallet pops up, ignore the warning, click confirm, wait a few seconds, and boom, your pool is live. Your pools just showed here, and if you want to check right now, our token update, just hit refresh, and boom, we are up around $70, and it shows that the pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. Now, click on view on Photon. You guys can use any other platform, let the coin load properly, and see, guys, buyers are in and a lot of transactions are happening. That's really unbelievable. Now, having a coin is great, but if nobody knows it exists, nobody buys. We are not going to manually spam Twitter. We are going straight to promote memes.fun to automatically get instant exposure on dexscreener, GMGN, and Bird Eye. Connect the Phantom wallet and paste your token address. I am selecting the advanced 0.5 SOL package. You can use whatever you want, and make sure you enable include free website. Here, upload your logo, set your token name, select Raydium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the white one and just click confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go now. Click pay and promote. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click confirm. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up again, then click confirm again. Within seconds, it starts building a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of traders. Boom, and the website is ready now. Click the website link and it will redirect to a page where you can see our token details and tokenomics. You can also add the token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. Oh my God, bro, just look at this. The volume is already coming in. We've got buys hitting the transaction feed instantly. Even though Solana has been trading up in the $90 to $95 range this week, the volume on these Raydium meme coins is still absolutely insane. The traders do not care about the macro price, they just want the next narrative. Bang, bro, the chart is pumping hard. I'd guess we are already up around $1,000 to $1,500 in pure profit. This is exactly why you have to trust the process. I'm going to let this coin sit and gain a bit more traction. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back. We are sitting at a $3,000 market cap and around $2,000 in liquidity. The momentum is peaking, so I am dumping my position now. Go back to launch meme.fun and hit refresh. As you can see, we are up $2,388 in P and L. Click the minus button, select 100% to remove all liquidity, wait for the Phantom wallet, ignore the warning, and click confirm. Wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed. Bang, that's it. It's done. Now, if I open my wallet, boom, $2,668 are in my wallet. At the start of the video, I only have 3 SOL now. I have almost 28 SOL in total. Is it not insane? That is exactly how you dev meme coins. Results will vary, but the whole point is to stay consistent. Rinse and repeat that method over and over again. All the platform links for launchmeme.fun and promotememes.fun are in the description and pinned comments. To win free souls for your launch costs, just subscribe, like the video, and comment rug pull below. I'm helping someone get a head start before they build their next coin. The winner will be announced on my Discord and Telegram, and will also join both groups. Without following, you'll not get any souls, so make sure you're following there to be eligible.